Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to create a goods return. That means how to send stock back to the supplier. Okay, so let's log in and start the process. Okay, so to create a goods return, what we need to do is we'll go to procurement and then transaction, and then there is a goods return interface. Okay, so these are the goods return we have already made. Let's create a new one. Click on new, enter the supplier name, and now you can scan all the items in the scan barcode option and save the document. The second option is obviously we can select an item if we do not remember, if there is no barcode tagged on that product, then we can search and find that item. Okay. Okay, it is saying stock is not available. So obviously, if the stock is not available, we cannot make goods return at that point of time. Okay, so what I will do, I will scan one item in which we do have a stock. Give me a second, and so let's scan one item here. Okay, this is scanned. I am sending 5 pieces of this item to supplier. Okay, it's showing me amount, discount, tax, and save it. This is it. So this is the way we can make a goods return. Once it is verified that everything is okay, I mean, the verification is very much important in this case. If all information is okay, like the amount is okay, the tax amount is okay, then only you have to approve this document. Until then, do not approve, please, because once it is approved, you cannot make amendment in this goods return document. Okay, so let's approve this, and now you can print it. Okay, and we can have a simple format like this, right? So this was the goods return process. Thank you very much for watching the